Hello viewers, this is Rafi once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to send offers to buyer requests on Fiverr so that you will be able to reach out to your potential clients with your custom offer. And if any client finds your writing convincing or suitable for their needs, they are most likely going to hire you. And in this video, I'm going to show you the effective process of sending offers to any buyer request. All right. So as you can see, I have found 3 requests and I found them from here on more than buyer requests, and I landed here on this page. And the first job post, as you can see, looking for someone to create a YouTube channel, create content for it and grow and manage it. I found interest and I would love to help this client by creating the channel, creating content, and by growing and managing his or her channel. All right. So here the channel will be for a digital marketing agency, blog and services website. Looking for monthly or weekly management? Let me know your pricing and what it includes. Then thanks. All right. So although client started here $5 as a budget for this project for 24 hours of management, but he also asked here, as you can see, let me know your pricing and what it includes. So I'm actually going to send him a custom offer for this buyer request and going to record everything so that you'll be able to learn step-by-step process. The first thing what I'd love to do, I'd love to customize this offer by mentioning this client's name so that whenever he will scroll through the buyer requests, or sorry, the offers that people will send, then if the client notice his or her name in the proposal, they would most likely be opening or reading that job proposal. And if we can convince them with our original text, which will be included on our offers, then they're most likely going to talk with us about their project, and if we best suits for their needs, then they're going to hire us. That's it. Okay, so now let me show you how to personalize this offer. So I'm actually going to click on okay, first of all, before I click here on this send offer, I'm going to copy this part here and then copy to get this client's name, and then I'm going to paste it here. And here, as you can see, this is the name, Storm's Mind. If you just notice, November 3rd 2019, and then looking, and we have got this profile picture, but it took the name from the profile picture when we paste it here. As you can see, November 3rd 2019, and here's the profile picture, and this is the name of the client. Okay, so I'm actually going to copy this name, and then I am going to click on send offer, and let's choose the best gig that you have relevant to the job description or buyer request. Okay, so click on it, as this one is about create, update and set up and optimize your YouTube channel. All right, so I'm going to put the name here, Storm's Mind. So let's put hi Storm's Mind, and then let's read the job description again so that you'll be able to customize this properly. Okay, looking for someone to create a YouTube channel, create content for it and grow and manage it. Hi mastermind, Azhar Rafi. Okay, so I have just sent him a portfolio here. You can add any helpful information here to convince your client. So as you can see, I have just entered my channel name here, which is a YouTube channel. So whenever if this client just reads this job proposal, and they will search my name on YouTube, and they'll find my channel, and they'll learn that I already know how to create a YouTube channel, how to create contents for it, and how to grow and manage it. Okay, so with this little part, I have answered these 3 important parts. Okay, create YouTube channel, create content for it and grow and manage it. So I already answered the client's questions. So all right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to customize it a little bit more. Please check out my YouTube channel as a portfolio, Azhar Rafi. Okay, and then YouTube channel named, okay, Azhar Rafi as a portfolio. I would love to create and the channel will be for the digital marketing agency, blog and service website, for the digital marketing N-I-C-H niche. Okay, and I'm looking for monthly or weekly management. I would love to work with you for a long time and would love to manage the channel growth. Okay, so there's a mistake I've just removed. I am using Grammarly to do the corrections of my English, so I'll add the link in the video description as well to write better English whenever you're writing any proposal or sending a message to your client. Okay, so here as you can see, this is quite friendly. Looking for monthly or weekly management, let me know your pricing and what it includes. So let's put the pricing. Please check out my gig to learn about pricing of setting up the channel and about the pricing. Okay, so again Grammarly helped. All right, so and okay, so please check out my gig to learn about the pricing of setting up the channel and regarding managing and growing your channel. Let's discuss the pricing in message. Okay, so let me open this gig here, which is I will create, update, set up and optimize a YouTube channel in the message. Okay, so let's go to Fiverr and let's see what is the pricing I have got here. This one. Okay, so create, setup and optimize a YouTube channel from scratch and we'll make it professional looking, standard, and let's say create, setup and optimize a YouTube channel with all settings, including the advanced ones. So I'm actually going to put 85 here. So as you can see in the pro or optimized channel has $85, or we can actually go with 50. So let's try 50. Here it is, 50. And delivery time 1 day. Ask for gig requirements and page channel evaluation, keyword, hashtag research, action plan. Okay, and I'll find, let's say, 10 keywords. Evaluate competitor strategy and will provide you the best smart ways to outrank them. Create beautiful channel intro and outro video. So I don't want to create channel intro and outro, but I know the process, so I'm actually going to select this one as well. But when I'm selecting this one, I'd go with 85. So if client loves these ratings or the pricing, he will reach out to me for further discussion. Okay, and if I just like his offer, I will work for him for a long time, I believe. Okay, so this was the custom. Okay, this was the custom buyer request or offer, custom offer for this buyer request. And if you just notice that I have used Grammarly to do all the correction in my writings to avoid any mistake here. So I'll attach the Grammarly link into the video description as well for your use. And let's just click on submit offer. Boom, I have sent the offer, as you can see, 1. So this is how you have to submit offer, and every day you will have 10 offers to send. And if you're going to be able to send 5 to 7 offers every day, then you are most likely to get more jobs on Fiverr from buyer requests. All right, so I believe you have learned something new from this video, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video, share this video to help others, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. And please don't forget to ask me any question by commenting below, and please let me know how this video was to you. So I'm eagerly looking forward to your response, and I have to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. You can learn data entry, web research, lead generation, digital marketing from my channel, and you'll find those videos from here, Rafi, and then click on playlists, and you'll find the playlist. As you can see, email marketing tutorial, data entry tutorial, lead generation, make money on YouTube tutorial, make money on Fiverr tutorial, WordPress tutorial, some of my payment proofs, social media skills, etc. To learn more, click on subscribe and click on the bell icon to stay connected. And follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page to get regular updates. Thank you.